hospitals have different products. So if we want to remove the plate in the another hospital and we don't have the matched instrument set.
I want to get a 哦，他要样册。
Okay, if you want to
Our catalog,
you can write your email address and we can send you later.
Want for
Okay. Okay. If you want our catalog, you can write down your email address and we can send you later. Okay. And in another hospital, we need this set to remove the plate because different company have different products and they can't use together. And this is the universal set can use for most products. Okay. And the second usage is that when we want to remove the plate, the screw slips or the screw breaks off. We need this set to remove these problems. Okay. Next, I will introduce you the components in this set. We can see we have two layers, the first layer and the second layer. First, I will introduce the first layer. We can see these are all the screwdrivers. You can see this is crosshead and this is also crosshead, the big one and the small one. And these two are both flathead screwdriver, the big one and the small one. And we can see this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The 7 pieces are all Torx head screwdriver, and it have 7 specifications, different sizes. And we can see this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These 8 pieces are all Torx head screwdriver, Torx head, the different sizes. And we can also see, hex head. These 7 pieces are hex head. And these 2 are squirrel head. Okay. Next, these 5 pieces, also this one. These 5 pieces are broken screw hollow saw, and it have 5 sizes: 2.5, 4, 5, 6, and 8. We can see there is a sizes print on the box on the tray. And this one is tip-hole hook, sharp. Okay, tip-hole hook. And this one is a reamer. It's a reamer. This one is a T-spine wrench. It is used to remove the pedicle screws. Okay. Next, I will show you the second layer. In second layer, we can see these 3 pieces. These 3 pieces are the triffins, and it also have 3 sizes: small, medium, and large. Okay. And we can see these 3 pieces are anti-slip screw extractors. 3 pieces, also 3 sizes. And these 3 pieces are the drill bits. These 3 pieces are the drill bits. Handle, T-handle, and the straight handle. It is a broken screw extractor clamp. It's a key, and we can see it's track. It need to connect with the drill bit, and this part connect with the power drill. We can see these 2 These two are the broken screw extractor. Two sizes, a large size and a small size. And this one is oscilloscope. It's a very usual instrument. Oscilloscope. Okay, next I will show you one by one how to use it. We can see if this is a bone, and there is a screw fixed on the bone. And if we want to remove it, usually we can use our screwdrivers because we have different sizes. We have different sizes for the screwdriver, and we just use the matched one to connect with the handle and to remove the screws. We choose this one. It's quick opening. Okay. In the common operation, we just need the screwdriver to remove the screw. It's very easy. You can see. Okay. It's very easy. But if the screw slips and we can't use the screwdriver to remove it, that we can use these 3 pieces to remove the slip screws. We will choose the matched size like this. Also connect with the handles. Sorry. Okay. And then we just need to rotate anti-clockwise to remove the slip screw. You can see it also can work. Okay, sorry. And but if the anti-slip screw extractor cannot work, we can use the drill bit to destroy the screw head. First, we need to connect the drill bit with the chuck. Also use the key to loosen it. And install the drill bit and lock it. To lock it tight. Also, this part we need to connect with the drill bit. And if this is the drill bit, and then to destroy the screw head, to destroy this part, the screw head like this. There is no screw head now. It has destroyed by this instrument. Okay. Next, if the screw head is destroyed, then we need to use broken screw hollow saw. Okay. I also need to connect with the handle. And we can see the head is very sharp and it has many teeth. Then we use a handle to make a hole around the screw. Like this, just like this. Make a hole around the screw. And then we need to use the oscilloscope to remove the detritus. Clean the detritus. To clean it. To make the screw exposed. Okay. Next, you can see we have these 3 pieces. These 3 pieces, just as I said, they are the broken screw extractor. And this part we need to also need to connect with the T handle. And these two instruments, this ring and the broken screw extractor clamp, they are all used to remove the broken screw. They are the same usage. The first I will introduce you this one. How to use it? You can see there is a thread inside. We just to put on it and rotate anti-clockwise. You can see the screw is moving. Okay, we can rotate anti-clockwise to remove the broken screw. Okay. Okay, to remove the broken screw. But we also can use this one. This is also broken screw extractor. To remove it, connect with the handle, and we can see rotate anti-clockwise and rotate it and push it. Sorry. Use this one. Rotate clockwise to open the head. You can see rotate clockwise to anti-clockwise to open the head, and then put on it and rotate anti-clockwise to lock it, to tighten it, to lock it, and then we just use to rotate clockwise to remove the screw. You can see it is moving. Okay, it has been removed. But we also can use this one. This is a clamp, broken screw extractor clamp. Push here to open it, and then we just use to cap this part and rotate to remove the broken screw. Okay, these are all uses for these instruments. Next, Daisy will introduce you our. Oh, sorry, I forget one thing. This one is a T-spine wrench to remove the pedicle screw, but it also can use for the one direction pedicle screw. The universal one, we just need to use the hex head screwdriver to remove it. It's very easy. But for the one direction one, we need to use this one to remove the one direction pedicle screw. Also connect it with the handle. Okay, and you can see